population that's very vulnerable. They do not know where to go for help. They feel that they have been sort of left out, that they're being ignored. And what we want to say today is not only they're not being ignored, but there are people that care. And we want to begin with this hotline that will be 24 hours around the clock every day for any young person that has been victimized by slavery or trafficking, that they can call, and they can call and know that they're going to be supported, that they will be treated with respect, that they will be treated with a great deal of sensitivity, and each of our organizations will work together to make sure that that occurs. I think often many of the young people, especially, as I think many of us know, when they become the victims of trafficking, they end up being used in prostitution rings, and many times the victims feel that they are now the target of law enforcement because of the activity that they have been forced to engage. And one of the messages that we want to get out there very clearly is that we do not view these young people as suspects. We do not view them as a criminal. To the contrary, we view them as a victim and someone that needs services. And we want to make that very clear to them, that we're all here standing together to help you, to get you through this problem, and to support you. With that, I'm going to turn it over to Sherilyn Adams from Larkin Center, and then we'll have the other speakers as well.
Thank you. So good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Just want to really acknowledge the District Attorney for his leadership and his office's leadership in establishing this kind of formalizing the partnership that will exist between Larkin Street Youth Services, SAGE, and the Youth Justice Institute. We are pleased to be able to provide the 24-hour hotline and immediate access to shelter through our underage emergency shelter, Diamond, and our drop-in center, and then to be able to work with two really fabulous partners to ensure that young people who are victims of trafficking and sexual exploitation get the services that they need immediately. I think, as the District Attorney said, it really is important that young people feel safe coming in, feel like they're not going to be prosecuted or hurt or harmed or further victimized. And so I think we're really pleased to be able to offer these services and look forward to meeting the needs of our youngest victims of sexual trafficking. Thank you.
Great. Now we'll turn it over to Aline Bell from SAGE.
Thank you. My name is Ellen Bell, and I'm from the SAGE Project. And we're very, very happy to be a part of this partnership and working with the DA's office on this very important collaboration. And although over the years we have done quite a bit of work with YJI and Larkin Street, this formalization really gives us an opportunity to strengthen our services on behalf of the youth in this community who are marginalized and at risk. And so we are just very excited to be part of this and to be able to move forward and ensure that we are creating a safety net for the youth in our city. And so we thank you very much, and we look forward to having this hotline that can be made available to all youth and 24 hours a day, and making sure that we get you to the appropriate services. So thank you so much.
And Kane Walker.
Good morning, my name is Kaina Walker from the Youth Justice Institute. And I too want to say thank you for continuing to put this kind of information out, and that trafficked youth are not forgotten about, because I think that this is a population that oftentimes we don't want to see, or that we don't know how to handle, and therefore it doesn't exist. And so I definitely appreciate this opportunity that we have with the DA's office, with Larkin Street, and with SAGE to be able to continue services. YJI has been providing services to system-involved youth for the last 10 years, specifically gender-specific services. And our role with this partnership is to provide therapy for our young people that are being trafficked, as many experience tremendous amount of trauma in their daily lives and the kind of situations that they're put in. And so we will be specifically working with them in providing therapeutic services.
Great. And we're going to sign this MOU, and we're going to open it up for questions, and thereafter we're going to be presenting a certificate to our young partner here who started the lemonade stand, and I would ask them when we get to that part that you keep your questions G-rated. You can ask all the other questions now. So.
One more person.
Oh, I'm sorry.
My name is Connie Spagari. I'm a case manager with the SAGE Project, and I'm very excited about this collaboration. We do, as others have said, work very closely and have worked very well with both Larkin Street and the Youth Justice Institute. strengthening our collaboration to provide seamless and continuum of care is something that we're very excited about. We have lots of systemic change that needs to be made in order to support these young people, as Kaina said, who experience trauma daily in their lives. And unfortunately, sometimes incarceration is a way to keep them safe. And having this collaboration and shifting that so that we can keep them safe without having to criminalize them is an important step towards changing how we are serving this population.